As you can see, my headlight on my BMW is a little bit hazy and faded. So, I'm going to try the toothpaste trick to see if it does actually work.
Feel the gravity pull and it keeps me away. I would rather be here, lonely in space. I've made up my mind, I just wanna be free. I live my own life in a new galaxy. I wanna be weightless in the silence of the night sky.
As you can see, we've given it a good covering, working it in with the toothbrush, giving it a good old scrub. And it's good to leave it on for like a good, 10 minutes or so, 15 minutes, let it soak in. And then after you've given it a good work and soak, you can get some warm soapy water and then start cleaning it off and see if it's actually worked. Now, first impressions as we clean off the toothpaste is it does look like it's definitely cleared it up and got rid of the haziness, that's for sure. I'll give it a good old wash and then I'll dry it with a microfiber towel and see what it looks like. But it definitely does look a lot brighter and less faded, that's for sure. Okay, so we've now dried it off and yeah, here's the results. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I think it's given it an improvement, that's for sure. It doesn't look as hazy and as faded as before. Yeah, let me know what you think. I'm curious to see what other people think of it. And yeah, give it a try in your car if your headlights aren't looking the best. Anyway, thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.